on domain and range. Let's start with this practice problem A. Now that we have this problem set up, we're going to be answering two questions. Is this a function? And what is the domain/range? For our domain, we can see that our maximum value is 3 on the x-axis and our minimum value is -3 on the x-axis, making our domain -3 is less than or equal to x and 3 is greater than or equal to x. For our range, we can also see that our minimum value on the y-axis is -3 and our maximum value on the y-axis is 3, making our range -3 is less than or equal to y and 3 is greater than or equal to y. But is this graph a function? In this case, it is not. In a function, only one point in the domain or the input can correspond to another point in the range, which would be the output. In other words, if an x value is plugged into the equation, there should only be one y value for that x value. We can prove this using the vertical line test, as when we draw a vertical line through the graph, we can see that two y values are present with only one x value. For B, we will have a different looking graph. We will be answering again, is this a function? And in this case, it is. We can clearly see that there is only one y value for each x value that is plugged into the function. Now we need to figure out what the domain and the range is. We can see that the graph has arrows pointing in both directions, meaning that the domain should include all real numbers. In the same way, the arrows also indicate that the range also includes all real numbers.